Hi friends, welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Glam home decor is characterized by its luxurious, glamorous, and sophisticated design style. Here are some key elements of glam home decor. Metallics. Glam decor often features metallic accents such as gold, silver, or copper. These accents add a touch of glamour and shine to any space. Mirrors. Mirrors are a staple of glam decor. Large mirrors with ornate frames add elegance and glamour to a room, while also reflecting light and making a space appear larger. Luxurious fabrics. Soft, luxurious fabrics like velvet, silk, and faux fur are often used in glam decor. These fabrics add texture and a sense of indulgence to a room. Bold patterns. Bold patterns, such as chevron or animal prints, are often used in glam decor to add visual interest and depth to a space. Statement lighting. Statement lighting fixtures, such as chandeliers or crystal lamps, are commonly used in glam decor. These fixtures add a touch of glamour and drama to a room. Artwork. Large-scale artwork, such as abstract paintings or black and white photography, can be used in glam decor to add a focal point to a room. Accessories. Accessories like decorative trays, candles, and ornate vases add finishing touches to a glam decor scheme. These items can be used to add pops of color or texture to a room. Bold colors. Glam decor often features bold colors such as black, white, gold, silver, and jewel tones. These colors add a sense of drama and sophistication to a space. Mixed textures. Mixing different textures such as plush carpets, smooth surfaces, and rough textures like bricks or stones is common in glam decor. This adds depth and interest to a room. High-end furniture. Glam decor often features high-end, luxurious furniture pieces such as tufted sofas, wingback chairs, and mirrored or lacquered accent tables. These pieces add a sense of elegance and refinement to a space. Luxurious bedding. Luxurious bedding, such as silk or satin sheets and plush pillows, are often used in glam bedrooms. This adds a sense of indulgence and luxury to the sleeping area. Glamorous accents. Glam decor often features accents that add a touch of glamour and sophistication, such as decorative trinket boxes, crystal figurines, or feathered or beaded throw pillows. These accents add a touch of glamour to any room. I hope you enjoy this collection of beautiful glam-style kitchens. Let me know down below in the comment section if this is a style you could learn to love in your home.
Hey friends, so that was today's video. Don't forget to like, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course subscribe to the channel. This has been another And Then There Was Style video, but if you want to see more, check out one of these two right here. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.